Brake! Brake! You target fixated on the sidewalk. Did you notice? You looked at it and you hit it. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dork side. It is I, your friendly neighborhood dork on the road, and today I'm teaching my little one the basics of riding her new dirt bike. That's right everyone, I am the dork on the road and I want to be your internet riding buddy, but I'm better than your regular riding buddies because I'm available whenever you want and I come with a mute button. So please don't forget to subscribe so you can check out future dorky shenanigans with us. So behind me is my little one who's learning how to ride her dirt bike, and I'm trying to take her over to this dirt area to get her off the street. But she's still learning the basics. She hasn't learned to shift or anything yet. In fact, she just got a little target fixated and hit the curb. I'm trying to turn around in the street, so I'm trying to get her over on the dirt where it's a little bit easier for her. And if the bike goes down, it won't get damaged as much. So we're gonna give that a shot out here in the field. Don't hit the hole again. We're gonna watch the hole. Don't hit that hole. We're just gonna go up here to this little rounder area, and then you can ride around a little bit, okay? Okay, how you feeling right now? Did you get better coming in here?
Yeah.
Just putt around here in first gear for a little bit till you feel a little better. Okay? And then maybe we can practice going back and forth and you can try to get into second. Okay, here, here's a trick that'll help you, okay? You want to try to keep your wrist level like this. So that way if something happens and you're like, oh, because if your wrist is up like this and you go, wow, guess what happens? You do a wheelie. But if you keep your wrist level and then you're pulling or whatever, it doesn't put any more throttle on. So you want to try to keep it like this, like, well, I mean a little bit up, so you're not like jamming your wrist, but you were like this going, wah! You never want to do that. So think about keeping your wrist level. And I'm telling you, once you get into second, all this jerkiness goes away. Okay? You got it?
Yeah.
You're good?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm making a video right now, so make it good, impress me. I'll edit out all the bad parts.
Except like that, like this?
Yeah, level. See what you did though? You went up like this? Yeah, that's how you're getting so much of this. You want to just very subtle, because then when you naturally relax your hand, it doesn't go back. It does not still have throttle. That's good. Try just, okay, don't hit my grom. Good, brake. You're doing better with the brake. Try to go just in a circle around this tree right here, like you just did. Just try to do a couple, just like this whole area is pretty good. Try to go through here and then just follow the track you just took. You can see it. Yeah, just trust it. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. There you go.
So I can turn around like that.
Nice.
Okay.
Want to give it a try?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe you can do it on your way out there if you want, but
Yeah.
you got it. You're going to be like, that was what I was worried about? That's dumb. Once you do it, trust me. Pretty long. Stop. Go a little faster. Let off the gas. Hey! You did it! It was easy. Easy.
Okay.
That's all it is. That's all you have to do. Okay, now I want you to shift in a second every time. We're still working on the turning around, but she just shifted into second successfully. She's going to do it again for us. And she's practicing braking hard too. I asked her to give a good brake so she can get used to stopping because she jumped the curb a little earlier. No big deal. You got to remember, she's never been on a motorized vehicle of any kind, so these are baby steps into a larger world. She's afraid she can't turn around tight enough, so I had her just backing it up like that instead so she can practice shifting. You gotta be forceful. You can't tickle it. You gotta kick it. Gotta get her out where she can ride faster. These short bursts are not teaching her what it's like to travel at speed very much. It's getting better at taking off at least. Less tentative. Hey, yeah! You did it! You did it! Just like that! Good job, kid! Do it 5 more times.
What?
Do it 5 more times. Hey, good job. Good. I saw her foot. I saw it shift. She did it. She did it. We're not working on downshifting yet. Going into first on this bike sucks. It basically stops. I don't think you'll downshift to first unless you're not moving. We will eventually have to learn it for trail riding and stuff for slow speeds get her back to second, but it'd also be good if she'd learn to trust it enough to let the bike pull itself forward. But baby steps, okay? She's like an hour into riding at all. She's doing pretty good, I think. I think she's doing pretty good.
You got it, babe. Just don't be hesitant. Just let her rip. Hey, good, good. That's it. Got it.
I did it.
You did. There you go. Much smoother. Second gear. Hell yeah. She's got it. Crushing it. Crushing it. She's going. We're working on the timing. Shifting, you know, it's so intuitive now, but it's hard when you're first learning. It's hard. You gotta let all the way off the throttle. You're going, wah, you gotta go, wah, let go. I mean, don't let go, but like when I shift, it's like, like that. You got to roll all the way off because the auto clutch won't shift unless if it knows that you're ready, right? And so it doesn't know you're ready when you're just trying to ease it in. So you got to let off and then back on. And it's just a timing thing. You got to, it's like this. This is my foot. I'm like, right? It just takes practice.
I'm doing better though, right?
You're doing great. Yeah. Now you're just like, now you're not sure. Before you're afraid. You're not afraid, you're just not sure.
Okay.
I'm making this video so that we can look at it at the end of the summer. You can see how much better you are.
Okay.
Okay? That'll be bomb. Do a couple more laps and then we'll go back. You can drive it. We'll go in second the whole way.
Okay.
You guys remember when you started? What was that like for you? Tell me about it in the comments because first time I ever got on a dirt bike, I revved it up, dropped the clutch, and it shot out from underneath to the back of my dad's truck. She's doing way better than me. Way better. Not a great camera angle because I'm just holding the helmet, but it's too hot to wear it, and the breathing gets all weird.
There it is, second gear. She got it again. I bet she looks really far away on this camera. I'm certain she does. That's real good. Okay, you want to lead back?
You lead back.
Well, why don't you lead until we get to the sidewalk and then we'll stop there and I'll ride up over the sidewalk and down into the road. So try to get into second and just stay in second and then just stop up there and I'll pass you, okay?
Okay. Ready?
Yep, just stop before you go on the road. Second gear.
So can I stop on that gravel circle?
Yeah. Just don't go in the hole. Watch that hole. There she goes. Second gear. Second gear. Cruising down the road. This is it right here. I'm living the dad dream, you guys. Living the dad dream. Of course, she may crash and I'll run her over. I'm just kidding. She's not gonna. Proud dad moment right here. And it's Father's Day, so no better day to make this happen than right now. Look at her go. I'm ruining it by talking. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this this first foray into the world of motorcycling with me and the little Dork. And we're gonna go riding and get a lot better this summer. Say goodbye, kid.
Bye.
Say goodbye to the people.
Bye, people.
Thanks for watching. Say be excellent to each other. Be excellent to each other. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you again soon. Watch the hole.
Excellent!
Look at her go. She's passing me. She's already kicking my ass. This is a vision of the future, I can tell.